Hello programmer, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the content summarizer project using Python. So you have to upload the name and the keyword. Okay, then click on the upload option, or user can upload the Excel file also, and then click on the submit button. So the model will load and it will take bit time. So this project developed using Python programming language, and the Django framework is used to develop the user interface. It is a website. So once loading completed, then it will give in the output like link, summary, and the relevant score. This will be the results. So these all are the links, and with the summary, this is the complete project. If you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com. We develop all type of projects related to Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network. If you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can contact us. I'll provide the contact link in descriptions. Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.